Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Ferrari 488. First, use your key fob to unlock the doors. Once inside, locate the ignition slot, typically on the right side of the steering column, and insert the key. Before proceeding, always confirm the parking brake is fully engaged. This ensures the vehicle remains stationary during the startup sequence for your safety. Next, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. This powers up the electrical systems. Allow a few moments for the car to perform its initial system checks. You'll see various warning lights illuminate and then extinguish on the dashboard. Confirm that no critical warning lights remain active before moving to the next step, ensuring safe operation. Now, with the systems ready, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your right foot. Locate the prominent red engine start button, usually on the steering wheel. Press and hold this button until the powerful V8 engine roars to life. Once the engine has successfully started, you can release the button and the brake pedal, ready for action. After the engine starts, quickly scan the dashboard one last time for any unexpected warning lights. With everything clear, you can now select your desired gear using the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Finally, disengage the parking brake. Your Ferrari 488 is now ready for an exhilarating drive. Enjoy the incredible experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.